You know the parameters voltage gain is A. The distortion without feedback is we are representing it by capital D, and the distortion with feedback we represented by DF, and you know beta is the feedback factor. Then the distortion is reduced by this value, so DF equal to D by 1 plus A beta. Just like how we write AF is equal to A by 1 plus A beta, so distortion without feedback is D, distortion with feedback is DF. So we write DF equal to D by 1 plus A beta. So distortion will reduce because of negative feedback. And the distortion is reduced by how much amount? By 1 plus A beta. And you know this 1 plus A beta is called by a term. It is called as sensitivity. It is called as desensitivity. Capital D. So don't confuse this D with whatever D we are studying right now. Whatever D we are studying right now is distortion. We are just meaning to say here that negative feedback is going to reduce your distortion by an amount called as 1 plus A beta. Okay. So this is the formula for distortion after feedback equal to distortion without feedback divided by 1 plus A beta. This is not the same case with whatever noise we have discussed previously. There we say that SNR is multiplied because I can study the performance of noise only with the parameter called SNR. But here I can see how much magnitude wise distortion is getting reduced. So I'll be using the term distortion after feedback or distortion with feedback DF. So this derivation is not there for us. Just remember distortion with feedback is distortion without feedback by 1 plus A into beta. Okay, so it is going to be reduced by 1 plus A beta. If A and beta value are known and distortion value is known to you, you can find what is the effective distortion in the circuit after feedback is applied. The distortion is usually mentioned in terms of percentage. They say that the signal has 2% distortion. So you should take this 2% as capital D. Distortion will usually be given in terms of percentage. It will say how much percentage is there present in your signal. So distortion is 2% means out of 100% of your signal, the signal is having 2% distortion. So 2% distortion plus 98% original signal. So we should always ensure that the percentage of distortion is going to be very, very minimal. Okay.